Google Ads billing and how to keep your campaigns running smoothly. Google Ads operates on a pay-per-click basis, which means you only pay when someone clicks your ad. You can choose between automatic payments, where you're charged after your ads run, or manual payments, where you prepay your ad spend. To set up your billing, head over to Tools and Settings, then Billing, and finally Settings. Add your payment method and decide whether you want automatic or manual payments. Keep an eye on your billing statements to track your total spend, campaign costs, and taxes. This is super helpful for your accounting and tax needs. If you run into issues, update any failed payments and reach out to support for help. Adjust your daily budgets as needed to keep everything on track. Set budgets, monitor alerts, and use account hierarchy if you manage multiple accounts. Managing your billing properly means no interruptions and better control over your ads. Please like and subscribe.